my dreams come true.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies.
Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby.
Hi doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, today we have a collab that we are doing with Nail Addiction, and I did a collab with them once before. I will link, I think I actually did maybe 2 videos with them before. So I've worked with Nail Addiction before, so I will link those up in the eye and also in the description box. But they were so kind to want to be working with us again, okay, to bring you some more nail polishes. And on my live, I showed you the polishes that they sent and you chose, and so I'm wearing the one that you chose, so we will talk about it. The last time that I used a Nail Addiction, I actually put on like false tips, and so the video is like how I put the false tips on and then using the polish and this and that. So this video, I'll show you what I got, but I'm also going to be like super honest. I usually use press-on nails and glue-on nails, so I don't polish my nails often. I'm not good at it. And the gel polish at home DIY thing, I'm not good at that either. And I made a crap ton of mistakes. However, my nails still look pretty good. So I think that whatever is going on with this Nail Addiction is actually pretty good, because like I probably made every mistake that you should never make, and they still don't look horrible. So let's go through what I have. So I had the LED light, and they sent this to me last time, so I had already still had that. So I had the LED light,
which is necessary.
One thing I realized is it was taking me, like, I was using the light twice in between coats because I was using too much. So that was mistake number 1 that I did. I was gooping stuff on because I'm impatient and I just wanted to goop stuff on. Last time they sent us these colors, and in the video I used this one here. So last time they sent me just colors, and because I didn't really know what I was doing, I didn't have a base or a top coat, and so I used one that I got from Walmart. This time, this is what they sent us, and I requested the base and the top coat, so I got those and used those. And also, they have like a peel-off remover, and I used this too. They also sent me this color called Celtic Sparkle, which I did not use because on my live, the people that were on the live voted for this color, which is called Winter is Coming, and that is the color that I have on, which is sort of a really pale bluish periwinkle. So this is what my nails look like after close to a week. The thing that I noticed is I got a lot of polish like on my actual skin, which you're not supposed to do, but it was, once it hardened, easy to remove, and it didn't like harm my skin or anything. And then I noticed like I got it like on the edges and it would harden, and I would just use my sort of those like clippy cuticle type ones and just run along, and then I could trim it up and clean it up, and it looked pretty good. I did use the remover, and I haven't tried to like remove one of them yet because you're supposed to be able to peel it off. I wonder if I could do it right now. So it does appear to be peeling up. So I hadn't tried to, but it does appear to be peeling right off. Yeah, it's peeling right off. Like without much of anything. So that's super cool. that's really awesome to know, because when I got the remover, it looks weird. Like it looked like chunky and goopy, and I thought maybe something was wrong with it, but it worked. So overall, I think because I had no idea what I was doing, I think that looks pretty good. I think if you do know what you're doing, or if you take these polishes to your salon, I think it would be awesome, because they have like really good colors. I think the colors are like super cool, really like awesome. Like I feel like getting like the grungy 90s colors. I don't see that too often, so I also feel like I use these, you know, just on some plain nails that I then glued on. I think I might try that next. I might actually try that next. But so far so good. I do really appreciate them sending to me. My natural nails have been really suffering because with the glue on nails, you should sort of take a break in between, and I wasn't. I was just going like glue on, glue on, glue on. And so I feel like with using this gel manicure in between, I think that's how I'm going to use it in order to sort of like give my nails a break here and there. So overall, very happy with the product. I think it's a great product. Now that I have the top coat and the base coat and the remover, I'm even more excited. Now I know that you need to slow down. These are the tips that I learned that I made mistakes on. Slow down, really thin coats, clean up the edges as you go, okay? If you really can't do it yourself, maybe like find a friend or take it to a salon to do for you. And that's what I learned. So if you have tried Nail Addict, please put your experiences or thoughts or tips or tricks down below. If you like this sort of content, like just sprinkled in here and there, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Thank you so much to Nail Addict. I'm going to put all of their deets down below. Please go and visit them. They are vegan, cruelty-free, like just they're a really great company. So glad that they have partnered with me on more than one occasion to bring some really great products to you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.